Hi guys! Today we are going to have some fun and draw a grumpy burger. Why he is grumpy? I don't know yet. Maybe we will find out at the end of the video. So let's get started. I will begin with the bun and draw one line, little bit curved. And next I will draw the top part of the bun. Then I will connect them together. Okay. And next we're gonna draw the lettuce. To do it, we will start on the side of the bun and just go on the random wavy line here. Just try to make it different shapes. Like this. The next part of the burger is a meatball. We will do it approximately same size as the bun. So we can draw sides first and connect them together. Okay, the next layer is thinner, the same shape as meatball. Maybe it's pickle. Okay, the next layer is maybe tomato. Just the oval shape, and let's give it a little bit thickness. Alright, now we will draw a cheese. We will start from here and again make a random wavy line, but not as curvy as we did for lettuce. Just like that. Okay, we are almost done. Only the down part of the bun left. It will be the same size again as the upper bun. Like this. And we close with a little bit curvy line. Okay, now the most fun part is coming. We will draw a face. Start with a long line here for the eyebrow, and another one will be like a wide V, like this, and close it on the side. Okay, the eyes will start in the middle, the shape of a semicircle, and the same shapes inside. We can fill with the black color, just leave some highlights. Okay, now some unhappy mouth. Something like Okay, the only things to do that are small details, like sesame seeds here on the bun. Not so many. And maybe some texture to the meatball. Okay, a little bit dimension to the bun. Like so. And I think we will put some lines to the lettuce so it will look more like lettuce. And you will add lines on this curved line when this line is going up. Okay, lines are facing, going towards the eyes. Maybe some more lines here. Okay, we are done with the burger. Now we can color it. I will speed up the process, but you can pause the video anytime to catch up. Okay guys, we are done drawing our grumpy burger. Now I wonder, what could make him so grumpy? Maybe some annoying fly buzzing around? Or maybe the lettuce was not so fresh? I don't know. Let me know if you have any ideas. Thank you guys for joining me today. I had a lot of fun and I hope to see you in my next video. See you!